In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dashboard in Airtable. No-code setup 2026. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and head to airtable.com. If you're new to Airtable, it's a flexible spreadsheet meets database tool that lets you organize information and build visual interfaces without writing code. Once the site loads, log into your account. You can sign in using your email and password or a single sign-on option if your workspace uses one. That's all you need to do here. Super quick. After you log in, you'll land on your Airtable home dashboard. This is your hub. You'll see your workspaces and a section with your most recent bases. Think of a base as the place where your tables, records, and views live, like a project folder for your data. On this home dashboard, take a look at the recents area to find bases you've opened lately. If the one you want is there, great, click it. If not, you can create a new base from scratch or from a template. Either choice works for building a dashboard. All that matters is that you have a base with data you want to visualize. Once you're inside your base, look at the top navigation. You'll see the main options for working with your data. Click Interfaces. Interfaces are Airtable's no-code front end. A clean, guided layer on top of your base that turns raw tables into dashboards, charts, summaries, and pages your team can use without digging through rows and columns. Here, you'll be offered two ways to proceed. Build with AI or build it yourself. Build with AI can quickly draft a layout based on your base, which is great for speed. Build it yourself gives you full control from the start, which is perfect for learning and for precise layouts. For this tutorial, choose Build It Yourself so you can see exactly how the pieces fit together. Next, you'll be asked to name your interface and pick an icon. Give it a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly understand its purpose, and choose an icon that fits the theme. Click Next to continue. You'll now select a starting point. Use the search bar and type Dashboard. Then choose the Dashboard option. This template is designed to surface KPIs, charts, and summaries at a glance. Click Through, and Airtable will automatically generate your new dashboard interface. You'll land on a pre-built layout connected to your base, ready to customize. From here, you can rearrange sections, adjust filters, and refine the visuals to highlight what matters most to your workflow, all without writing a single line of code. And that's it. You've built a dashboard in Airtable, the no-code way, from login to launch.